Welcome back, beautiful people of YouTube. Today is our second to the last day here in Vigan City. We are headed to some museums and we will buy multiple souvenirs for ourselves and for some of our friends. But before that, we have to buy our bus ticket going back to Maynila for tomorrow. We are here at Vigan Spartas bus station or office at the same time. Here are the booking numbers if you wanted some, and it costed me 1,000 pesos. At 3 p.m. tomorrow is our trip. After the bus ticket purchase, I headed to Crisologo Museum. I'll just show you some clips but not all. The museum's entrance is free, it's by donation, after which I had my merienda. This is their empanada. Also, I have this sliced green mango. Magkano yan siya? 40 may bagaong na. This time to purchase for our souvenirs. Kanin? Yung kulay dito, wala yan significant. After buying our souvenirs, I crossed Plaza Burgos and just ate the typical food there. It's because budget natin, pauwi na eh. Sarap po, pampahay blood. Remember our almost 1 week worth of laundry? They cannot locate my belongings, so they brought me to their headquarters somewhere backroads. I do not remember the name of the place, but this greeted me. Dami nilang manok, nasaan yung isa? After identifying one by one the clothings, I went to Sukiya Mansion. I do not know their schedule, so I just headed for a coffee in one of the coffee shops. It was nice seeing this fermented dried fish, Filipino style. After those, we spent the afternoon slowly eating Jollibee. The next morning, it's the final day. This opens at 7 a.m. So the first thing I went to was...
guys. Yan. Tapos, ano yung ginagawa nito? Pwede mo na nangyayari din sa akin. Kailangan matigas.
Ilang taon ka na po nagaganyan? 45? Grabe. It was great, but the time has come. Overall impression of Ilocos, I will be back sometime soon. The journey took us 13 hours and we arrived 3 a.m. at Cubao bus station. Thank you so much for watching and see you Friday for our next journey.